I think the emotional response with the X1 Fold is really all about trying to give users a new experience, but with a purpose that's really going to bring value to their lives. One of the things we loved is the screen size. Bigger. Bigger is better. When you open it up, instantly signifies that you're a different type of user.
The single biggest challenge is the screen itself. Protecting the screen, making sure that it folds in the right way, but most importantly, making sure that you can design something that people can use for years. You can't have a folding screen that creases. It always has to have some sort of loop in it. Inside the mechanism, the screen actually makes a bell shape. It conforms to the natural curve of the OLED panel itself. Part of the reason that a flexible screen PC exists in the first place is the ability to use it in different modes or orientations.
Trying to get all of the components in the right way where your cables plug in as well as where your cameras and your speakers are located. It's difficult, right? Because you're designing for so many different orientations.
There are two microphones here that are one array, and you need two for spatial awareness. Another set of two microphones array here. And there are three speakers.
So inside here, we've got the Intel 12th generation core processor. And along with that is the visual sensing controller, which is an AI-powered co-processor. So the visual sensing controller optimizes both power and performance, but based on the user's need. And what we mean by that is when it's in use, the system's bright and responsive, but when it's idle, it dims the screen and it goes to a lower refresh rate to save battery life.
When they walk away, the system can instantly lock and go into standby. When they come back, the camera senses that you were there and instantly wakes the system up. Where it really shines is when it starts to be used in conjunction with things like the keyboard and the stand.
And that experience and that typing experience and cursor control is really, really important to us. We wanted to directly take an existing keyboard from a ThinkPad and build it as an ecosystem component. Pen has a big role in this, the ability to draw, take notes, and how it feels as it's coming across the screen. There should be some resistance to it, so it seems like it's flowing along, but it feels supernatural. We went through a lot of different materials and trying to find what's going to be the right thing, both from a touch, a feel, a weight. We wanted to do something that felt a little more durable, that felt, great to hold, and as well as great to touch.
This is a powerful business class laptop. It's not just a cool folding device.
It gives me the portability and the mobility that I need. It gives me the freedom to use a pen.
And then when you open it up all the way and you've got the full usable 16-inch screen, and then you take this and fold it and look at how much space it takes in your bag compared to a full 16-inch laptop, it is less than half the footprint.
When you start to pull out an X1 Fold, it becomes part of your persona. People want to be part of that. They want to understand what you're doing. And I think that's what is so exciting about folding technology. It's going to give us the freedom and the ability to change the way we work in new ways.